I'm originally from Canada. I run a center that provides shelter and rehabilitation to children in crisis. Noong 2000, nasa Canada pa ako. Nandito pa yung magulang ko, may NGO sila. Nag-decide kami ng asawa ko na lumipat din dito para tumulong sa kanila. I love the people of the Philippines. Kumakain ako ng Filipino food. Nagsasalita ako ng wika nyo. My children are more Filipino than they are Canadian. Everything. This is home. As much as I have many times said, kung pwede lang maging brown yung skin ko, kung pwede lang, I'll just dye my hair black. I can say my heart is as Filipino as I can be. I'm Charity Graff from Canada, and ako ay may pusong Pinoy.